केल्याने होत आहे रे, आधी केलेची पाहिजे. This line of Samarth Ramdas Swami guided us through our journey. The year threw a lot of challenges our way, which we successfully overcame. We look back at the year with a lot of satisfaction and humility. We thank everyone who helped us through our journey. Club service. We began this year with attending the first ever online pet set program over Zoom in the month of April. To boost the morale of Gargi members during strict lockdown, we ran a 7-day photo challenge online. This gave opportunity to each member to share their creativity with others. Team 2021 was installed by DG Sangram Patil in the presence of First Lady Utkarsha and AG Suhas Kulkarni and Gargi members. Rotarian Kavita Nair, along with her daughter and aides of Rotarian Gayatri Menon and Rotarian Mamta Zawar, presented Ganesh Vandana at the installation. In the month of December, during our first physical meeting, Gargi members celebrated with a musical evening. Gargis were given handmade purses as birthday gifts. Founder President Shobha Tawde was unanimously voted to be nominated for DG 23-24 by all the members. To ring in the new year, a family trip was planned to Uga Sugar Factory. Despite the pandemic, the entire club came together for DG visit. We celebrated Charter Night by felicitating the past presidents and playing housey. Each Gargi member was also gifted an exclusive hand-picked goodie bag. Community service. We began the year with blood donation camp in collaboration with Kolhapur Medical Association. 70 bottles of blood were collected. Rotary Club of Gargis also helped the COVID-19 hospital setup in Kolhapur by donating medical equipment. To celebrate Adhik Mahina, Gargi members donated food for the orphans of Avni Foundation. Rotarian Trishala Gandhi donated old clothes for the homeless women of Ekti Foundation. We celebrated Navratri by Shlok Patan with students of Arpanam Shlok classes. In October, Gargis sponsored a fellowship meet of Probus Club with the elders celebrating their birthdays together. Gargis celebrated Diwali by distributing farah to the children of Shawadi villages with Henry Foundation. We honored Guardian Minister Satej Patil as COVID warrior for his relentless social work towards the community. Sandhya Rathi spoke about the importance of self-love in relationship during the Valentine month of February. Rotary Club of Gargis donated ceiling fans to Shri Bhairavnath Madhyamik School for the convenience of the students. Rotary Club of Gargis provided for safe drinking water facility for the devotees and visitors of Nagoba Mandir, Nagala Park. Occasional service. We celebrated Doctors' Day by appreciating Kolhapur Medical Association as COVID warriors for their tireless service to patient care during COVID. Rotary Club of Gargis participated in the opening of digital studio of NGO Swayam Siddha. We had donated equipments for them. We sourced face masks from Bachat Gat women so that we could support their livelihood during these difficult times. Trainer Purnima Patil took classes on spoken English with industry workers to improve the chances of employability. Rashmi Kulkarni introduced the concept of redesigning gold jewelry to Gargis, where we could either relook at our unused jewelry or make it modern. Organic farmer Monica Mohite shared her knowledge of farming with aspiring farmers to take zero budget care of plants. We collaborated with Dori Handlooms to support Vocal for Local and buy gifts for Gargi members, where local women made small purses for us. Gargi celebrated Vocational Service Month by doing an industry visit to the Uga Sugar Factory and Distillery. Sharda Ghare, a Vastu practitioner, spoke about Vastu for people to know the vocation better. We collaborated with local entrepreneurs to select hand-picked items in the goodie bag to provide them with better opportunity. Youth Service. Gargis conducted an online webinar on responsible parenting during COVID times for parents of school children. We also conducted an online webinar on mental well-being and personality development for mental health during COVID. Maitreya Interact Club was installed online in the presence of DG and DICC. Gargis hosted zonal level Interact quiz along with Rotary Club of Kolhapur to celebrate Interact Week. We also hosted the semi-final and final district level Interact quiz. Rotaract Club of Samarpan had their installation in the month of February in the presence of DRR Sahil Gandhi and ZRR Akhilesh Jadhav. Rotarian Gauri Shirgavkar addressed students of Varna Girls College during the National Safety Week with Traffic Police Inspector Jagannath Jankar. Rotary Club of Gargi celebrated the Youth Service Month by chartering a new Interact Club, Shri Bhairavnath Madhyamik Vidyalay, online in the presence of DICC Vasuki, DCC Shobha Tavde, RDC Jia Momin. The installation officer for the event was AG Dr. Suhas Kulkarni, who guided the students. International Service. Rotary Club of Gargis participated in patriotic song competition conducted by Rotary Club of Mapsa and won the Best Video Presentation Award. We also participated in Bestie for Resty competition conducted by Rotary Club of Hubli Central, where our member Mamta Zawar won the consolation prize. We showed our presence in the global event WGM program on 24th October 2020 on World Polio Day. Gargis conducted SAS competition where members from 5 Rotary International districts participated in the competition along with 75 plus non-Rotarians and Inner Wheel members. We supported the NID by sponsoring the booth at Savitribai Phule Hospital and PHC number 6 in Ruikar Colony. We hosted a batch of Rotary Leadership Institute for the District 3170, which had participation of Rotaract and international participant from Sri Lanka. We participated in hosting the Rotarians Friends from District 3070 in Kolhapur along with the Kolhapur Movement. Literacy. Rotary Club of Gargis co-hosted the Saksharta Teacher Training District event on the 8th of September. We also hosted Saksharta Teacher Training online workshop for more than 100 teachers on the topic of value-based education by Rajyogi Mrityunjayji. Rotary Club of Gargis awarded 16 teachers with the prestigious Nation Builder Award to appreciate their contribution to the society. We also donated around 1,000 books to the Mukt Sainik Municipal Library for students appearing for competitive exams and also senior citizens interested in reading. Rotary Club of Gargis co-hosted Saksharta 2, a teacher training program for 5 days for upgrading their knowledge in partnership with Merit Train. We donated benches, school board and other furniture to Rajputwadi School to make education more accessible to the school students. This project was funded by district grant. Hygiene and sanitation. Rotary Club of Gargis conducted a session by Dr. Neeta Narke on Corona myths and facts, where information about precautions about COVID-19 and healthy sanitary practices were discussed with school children. We distributed face masks and sanitizers for club members during our installation to ensure their safety and hygiene. For Diwali, N95 masks were distributed for staff of SB Resellers Private Limited and Synergy Green Industries. Rotarian Sarika Kuloli took a session on how to wash hands and maintain hygiene during COVID times for the adolescent students of Padmaraja Girls School. Rotarian Gauri Shirgavkar donated 60 liters of sanitizer for the Padmaraja Girls School. Rotary Club of Gargis donated 80 liters of hand sanitizers for the health workers of Kolhapur Municipal Corporation. Health. To celebrate the National Sports Day, our member Saroj Shinde conducted a talk on health benefits of marathon. Immunity booster from Canary Mutt was distributed to 500 plus staff of SB Resellers Private Limited. COVID preventive medicines were donated to Maharashtra Police with Rotary Kolhapur movement. Dr. Shriya Gadve addressed the interactors about the importance of diet and reduction of the intake of sugar, salt and oil. Dr. Josna Deshmukh addressed the girls of Maitreya Interact Club about menstrual health. She spoke about the need to normalize it in the society. Rotary Club of Gargis completed the Global Grant project and handed over the toilets to the Princess Padmaraja School. This will provide facilities to 2,700 girls attending. Rotarian Sarika Kulloli took a session on MHM for the adolescent students of Padmaraja Girls School. Rotary Club of Gargis donated 800 hand gloves to the doctors of PHC number 6 Ruikar Colony for their safety. We donated money to the Police Welfare Fund to buy hand gloves to protect themselves against infections. We invited speaker Dr. Archana Kandekar to talk about importance of eating seasonal foods and how Panchakarma helps our health. Environment. Rotary Club of Gargis planted medicinal trees in a local garden on the very first day of our tenure. We conducted a photo challenge competition to make the members aware of impact of the nature and importance of conservation. We also collaborated with other NGOs in Kolhapur to remove nails from the trees to make trees in Kolhapur nail-free. Keeping the cutting of trees in mind, we donated wood from the already felled trees to the municipal crematorium in Kolhapur. Public image. Rotary Club of Gargis conducted Sargam, a multi-district public image fellowship event that had participation from 6 Rotary districts and 100 non-Rotarians. DG from 3170, 3132, 3142, 3131 attended the event and addressed the non-Rotarians. Swaranjali event was a huge success. 6 PDGs, DJN and DJND along with non-Rotarians and Rotarians from outside of 3170 attended it. We had a participation of more than 160 participants. The idea of the event was to change the mood of the district and bring about positivity. Here are some of the media coverage that our club has received.